Kuma deals. They have a 2017 or 18 model Mack tractor trailer or a tractor truck here. Let me give you a quick walk around video once you see this unit. Aluminum wheels in the front. Nice tread in the front. Let's see, this is a CXU613 model. Nice clean interior, come back to that. 100-gallon fuel tank. Nice new version tread in the rear. Sliding fifth wheel hitch. Air ride in the back. Good, nice tread in the back. As a non-wet kit truck, but it is plumb for trailer hauling. Nice tread in the rear, or the front here. 22.5s. All the lights work good. Nice clean interior. No rips or tears in the seats. Got a Eaton Fuller 10-speed. It's got 672,000 miles on it. Good oil pressure. $70 over 1,700. Works good. Go ahead and take out the front of the engine here. Again, an MP8 motor. Nice clean running machine, no blow-by. Nice clean running, no moisture in the oil of any sort. Ice cold AC. AC is very cold. Coolant tank is clean, no oil in the coolant tank. Oh yeah, that's right. Now I'll go ahead and give you a quick demonstration video of this truck moving forward and backwards so you can see everything works out, shifts out well.